master plan for the Army base showing, you can see the color buildings that are, obviously buildings are on the surface of the ground, on top of an aerial photo here that shows the existing buildings today. You can see the big warehouses and some remnants of small buildings where a lot or most of have been demolished. They were going to be demolished, so we're pretty much raising the entire area that's called the Oakland Army Base, taking old buildings down. What that doesn't show is what's under the ground, all the utilities that have been there for 80 plus years in different generations of utilities. So for example, here's a picture of all the water lines out there and sewer lines in color. The green are old buildings that have already been demolished, so there's generations of buildings that have come and gone. Here's storm sewer on this map from the 1940s, and from the 1950s, storm sewer lines, laterals that are out there, and here's in fact a water line that runs along the edge of the wharf that's still there. So we have utilities out here that are 60, 70 plus years old that are failing, can't hold their own anymore. We're taking those out or leaving them if we're not interfering. This water drawing is a good example. The red lines on port property have been abandoned pipes, water pipes. The blue are still active. All these different lines with X's through them are water lines that are being abandoned and we're taking out to make way for new buildings that sit on top. And we even have temporary water going in to feed existing buildings that are staying for a while, where Caltrans lives and works to do the Bay Bridge right now. So the big problem we have is existing buildings staying and needing utilities in the short term, while we're taking buildings down and demolishing utilities that feed buildings also. So sometimes we have to put temporary pieces of pipe in to feed the existing tenants. So the complexity of utilities underground, which you can see in video construction, it doesn't make sense when you're seeing bulldozers going back and forth, but what's underlying is this network of spaghetti that has to be cut and pasted back together with new pipe.